Okay, so do you ever wonder why your income is all over the place? One minute you're rolling in the money, next minute you're like, how am I going to pay these bills, right? So that's called income cash flow fluctuations. It can be unpredictable. And what can you do to smooth things out? So I came up with the 4 strategies to resolve this and to help you with your income fluctuations and your unpredictable cash flow. So let's talk about that. Why does it happen? There's things like seasonality changes, right? Unexpected costs or late payments. Those are the top reasons why your income fluctuates. Now, I've already done some videos on late payments, accounts receivables, having an effective accounting tool so that you can track your income and make sure you're getting the money when you really want, when you really expect it to come. So it's not so unpredictable. But nevertheless, all of these can really cause a lot of problems for businesses and make it tough for you. So if you don't get a handle on it, unpredictable cash flow can lead to big problems like missed opportunities or even trouble keeping your business afloat. I've seen some complications, but businesses don't necessarily go out of business because of this, but it makes it really hard for businesses. They might take on extra debt and other things like that. So why does it happen, right? We got to talk about the root cause. Why does it happen? It can be unpredictable for cash flow. Make sure we know what we're talking about. Cash flow can be unpredictable for a bunch of reasons, like the time of the year, how quickly customers pay, or even how your business is set up, right? The first step is knowing what's causing the swings. So that's where I said the root cause analysis. For example, a store might do really well during the holidays, but then struggle to bring in money after that, right? So what does that mean? How can we fix this? What are the strategies? Again, I came up with 4 strategies that I wrote down. Planning ahead is the number one strategy. One way to keep your cash flow steady is by planning ahead. Look at your past finances to predict when you'll have money coming in and when you'll need to pay money out. I also have videos on trend analysis, having an effective counting tool so that you can see these trends and seasonal changes very easily if you have an accounting tool. Diversifying income. Try to find more ways to make money. Maybe add new products or services or look for different types of customers so you're not relying on just one source of income. Did a video on the top 5 income streams. Doesn't mean I'm saying do those 5 income streams. I'm saying those are the top rated income streams of this in this time, right? In 2024. Better payment terms. Make sure you have clear payment terms with your customers. You could even offer a discount if they pay early to keep the money coming in on time. And I'm smiling because I have a video on accounts receivable, making sure that you are putting what people owe you in an effective accounting tool, because people have PayPal, they have Stripe, they have all these different payment platforms, but are they collective? Are they in one single location, one accounting tool where the bank is turned on and it's automatic for you to see all of your money, all your revenue in one central location? And then you can say, okay, my money is seasonality, has a seasonality to it, right? It's high in the winter, it's low in the summer, or something like that, right? So that effective accounting tool, search my YouTube to find that video as far as accounts receivable, to find out what your revenue looks like. Make sure you have that set up. Last but not least, a safety net. So it's also smart to set aside some extra cash for when times are tough, right? This way, you're not scrambling if things slow down. So this might be something what we call a reserve line. We have a reserve that we're going to ensure that we are addressing or that we're pouring into over time, so that when times do get slow, we can refer or dip into this reserve line that we've been building up, basically a savings account for your business. All right, so for though it's normal because this happens in businesses often. It's normal for cash flow to fluctuate, to have ups and downs. There are ways to smooth things out. So I talked about the strategy of planning ahead, diversifying income, better payment terms, and building a safety net, right? To make all of those 4 strategies can make a big difference. So if this sounds like something you need help with, definitely like this video and comment revenue